Hi everyone, my name is Anjali. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. Be familiar with the blue eyeliner trend which has been going on everywhere on Instagram. So I decided to do a look with the blue liner and also try out the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadows which I showed you in my last video. अगर नहीं देखा है तो please देख लो, ऊपर की तरफ मैं लिंक कर दूंगी. So yeah, this is a product test as well as a quick glam look. So without any further more blabbering, let's get into the video. So let's begin with my brows. I wanted to go pretty heavy on my brows, so I just took this NYXka tinted brow mascara and just 2 coats of it and I'm done. That's all for my brows because it's already quite thick. I didn't want to do anything more to it. To moisturize my face, I'll take Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So this is something which is new to my skincare. I just wanted to try this out since everybody has been raving about this on Instagram. Moisturizing my lips with the good old Maybelline Baby Lips. Going to prep my face with this Indulgere Rose Water. It acts as a toner which gives a bit of glow to my skin. Now taking this Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette, will go in with this lighter shade and conceal the area above my brow just to give it a very defined shape. Will be using my finger to blend that concealer out. Now to prime my eyelids, I will be using the same concealer which I used to conceal my eyebrows. Using the eyeshadow blending brush from Real Techniques, will be blending in the concealer. To set the concealer in place, we'll be using this Wet n Wild contouring palette and taking the light shade and patting that all over my lid. Taking this Makeup Revolution Rose Gold palette, we'll be using these 2 shades to go over my crease. We'll keep building up the shade. I will be building up the eyeshadow till I get a rosy pink shade. I'll also go in with a clean brush over my crease to avoid any harsh edges. Then going in with this darker brown shade over the outer V of my eye and keep building that up till I get a very defined look. Taking my Urban Decay NA-K3 palette, will be going in with this shimmery rose gold shade and patting that over my eyelids. Taking the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold Retro, will be applying this just over the shimmery rose gold shade. I'm so sorry about the lighting. The day I filmed this, it was very rainy and the weather was very gloomy, so I'm so sorry. Please bear with the lighting. Then again, we'll be going in with that darker brown shade to just give that definition to the eye since I think it kind of faded. Using this Lakme Insta liner in the shade blue, will be doing a quick wing liner. Now to prime my face, I will be using this Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. It's a gel based primer. You have already seen this previously in my videos. If you haven't, please देख लो यार पहले के videos भी. To add that glow to my skin, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in the shade Liquid Champagne and will be just taking a tiny bit of it and applying all over my face, and then will be blending that over with the brush. Whenever you apply this highlighter over your face, please make sure that you just dab your sponge or your brush very quickly because it dries up very easily. Now going in with my favorite foundation from Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Now to cover those dark circles, we'll be going in with the same concealer and taking the shade and just laying it over the areas that needs to be concealed. Now taking the same concealer palette, we'll be taking a lighter shade and highlighting my under eye area, and then we'll be blending in with a damp sponge. To set the concealer in place, I'll be using the same palette I used before to set my eyelids and applying it to all the areas where I have applied concealer. Then taking a darker shade, will be contouring my face. Then taking the Nykaa blush in the shade Malibu Barbie, will be taking the pink toned blush and applying it all over my cheeks. Then taking this NYX eye pencil in the shade Oxblood, will be applying this on my waterline. Now taking that same eyeshadow I used in my crease to apply below my lash line. Then highlighting the inner corners of my eye. Now the best part is the mascara. It's the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara in the shade Blue, and will be taking 2 coats of this to apply to my lashes. Now to highlight my face, I'll be using this Wet n Wild highlighting palette in the shade Precious Petal. We'll be using this Nykaa Lipstone Lie in the shade Chocolate Boy to just line my lips, and then go in with NYX Suede lipstick in the shade Sandstorm, and then topping that up with Nykaa gloss in the shade Honey Boo. And that's it. That's the complete look. Do let me know in the comment section below, how did you find this video and did you like it or not? And if you recreate this look, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you next time, and don't forget to click on the red button to subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon next to it to get notified whenever there's a video on my channel. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you next week. Until then, stay safe, stay home, bye.